Good news for e-reader fans. Amazon just dropped their brand new Kindle Scribe models. And they're available right now if you've been waiting for the holiday season to upgrade. Your wait is over. I'm David Carnoy from CNET, and I've just gotten my hands on the new Kindle Scribe with front, light, and the flagship Kindle Scribe Colorsoft. I'll be putting them through their paces in the coming days. So make sure you're subscribed for the full review. Now, let's talk about what's new. Back in September, Amazon unveiled 3 new Scribe models. The 2 with front lights, the Kindle Scribe with front light, and the Kindle Scribe Colorsoft are the ones shipping today. The entry-level model without a front light is still listed as coming soon for early 2026. These new devices aren't cheap. The Scribe with front light starts at $500 for 32 gigabytes of storage. If you want that beautiful color display, the Scribe Colorsoft will set you back $630, but that does include an upgrade to 64 gigabytes of storage. Interestingly, this pricing puts it in direct competition with Remarkable's Color Paper Pro tablet. So, what are you getting for that price? Amazon has packed in some pretty significant upgrades. First, the screen is now larger at 11 inches, up from 10.2 inches. But it's housed in a similar-sized body. How did they do that? By shrinking the bezels. The devices are also slimmer and lighter than the previous model, which is always a plus. Inside, there's a new custom MediaTek processor that Amazon claims gives a 40% performance boost. This should make everything from page turns to menu navigation feel much snappier. One important thing to note is that unlike some other Kindles, these new Scribes are not waterproof. So you'll want to be careful around the pool or bathtub. The biggest question for many will be about the color display. You might remember when the smaller Kindle Colorsoft launched last year. Some users reported a faint yellow tinge on the screen, especially with the front light on. Amazon addressed the issue, but it was a concern with the new Scribe Colorsoft. Amazon has used a completely redesigned display stack, including a new mini-LED lighting system. So, the first thing I did after unboxing the new Scribe Colorsoft was to check for that yellowing issue. I cranked the front light all the way up, set the color to vivid, and I'm happy to report I couldn't see any yellow tinging at all. The screen looks clean and uniform. It really seems like the new display technology has solved that problem. Amazon also says they've improved the writing experience. There's a new texture-molded glass that adds a bit of friction, making it feel more like writing on actual paper. They've also reduced the gap between the screen and the e-ink layer, so it feels like your pen is writing directly on the page, not hovering above it. I'm really excited to dive deeper into these new features. Is the performance boost noticeable? How does the writing experience compare to the old Scribe and its competitors? And most importantly, is the new Kindle Scribe Colorsoft worth the premium price? I'll cover all of that and more in my full review, which is coming very soon. In the meantime, you can check out my initial hands-on impressions on CNET. Thanks for watching. And be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my final verdict on Amazon's latest and greatest e-readers. See you in the next one.